Okay, so tuone how to create business intelligent web system kwa kutumia Python programming language pamoja na Django. So Django ni free open source high level web framework kwa ajili ya kutengeneza website kwa kutumia Python programming language. Hii ni episode number 8. Kwenye episode hii tutaona how to create a form. Form hii tumetumia free open source library ya Crispy. So Crispy ni form ambayo ina run kwenye upande wa backend. Okay. So katika form hii ya Django pia tutatumia JavaScript. JavaScript itafanya kazi ya kuupload files. Now for example, nikiklik submit, now you can see some sort of back-end data validation. Ili kuona for example first name is required, last name is required, full name and customer national ID, resident pamoja na phone number is required. Okay, so now hapa nataka upload for example passport size. Click passport size. For example, this passport size. Hii ni JavaScript. JavaScript inafanya kazi ya ku load image from hard disk na kuleta hapa kwenye canvas. So before submitting a form, now users aka check image. This is a national ID. For example, na upload national ID. This is a national ID, okay? Na hii hapa ni date of birth. So nikiklik tutakuja kukuta hii ni material design. So this is the material design date picker. Of course kuna library ya Python kwa ajili ya kutengeneza hii material design date picker, okay? And this is the response, back-end response. Hii ni response from a server. Okay, so chochote tunachokiona hapa ni back-end programming katika upande wa Python, okay? Okay, so now refresh. Okay, so now for example na register a new customer. A first name for example Maria, last name, okay, and this is a full name. This is a customer national ID for example. Then choose a resident. Resident hii inatoka kwenye back end, okay? So for example this is resident, and now choose passport size. So nita click choose file. After then tutakuja ku upload a passport size, okay? So now for example na upload a passport size. So this is a passport size, and then upload a national ID, okay? So this is a national ID, okay? And then hii ni multiple selections. Kwa hizi ni just a checkbox, lakini naweza nika select all, okay? After that kuchagua date of birth, hii ni library ya date picker. So na click on year, then na choose a particular year. For example, this is the date of birth, okay? Na select. Itakuwa hapo, check hapo, okay? After then na click submit. So when I click submit, now you can see back end message, passport size should be less than 1 MB. Okay, hii ni back end validation. Now for example na upload the passport size. For example this passport size, okay? Then ngoja chagua date of birth, national ID, again click national ID, then I click submit. Click submit. Now uta message registered is successful. Nikija katika upande wa admin. This is admin site. The username ambayo nimeregister inaitwa Maria. So nikija hapa just refresh a page. Now after refreshing now you can find Maria. You can write hapa Maria, okay? Username Maria, okay? Au unaweza kaja hapa ukakliki hii pagination, okay? So after clicking pagination now you can see Maria huyu hapa amekuwa added. This is the resident and this is the phone number, okay? This is the date registered. This is what small business or business type. Zilikuwa ni multiple selections. So multiple selections hizi hapa, okay, ndo hizi hapa ya kucheck this is a multiple selection. Ndo hii hapa kuja katika Django admin site. This is a passport size, and this is a national ID for example. Okay. So naweza nika edit na click Maria, okay? Naweza nikafanya some changes. For example, this is the first name, naweza nika change, and then last name naweza nika change, and also business types hizi hapo, and date of birth naweza nikaja nika click date picker, then nika change business date of birth. Again, hii passport size. Kitaka ku-view just click on passport size, na I can view passport size, okay? Na hii hapa ni national ID. Kitaka ku-view na click on national ID. This is a sample national ID. Okay? Now after updating now click save. Na changes zitakuwa reflected. Okay? Okay. So hiyo ni form ya Python. Imetumika open source library inaitwa Crispy. Crispy ni library ya Python as well. Okay, so now uta open our project. Lastly, video tutorial to share this point. Okay, so uta open our app. uta expand app, then uta expand templates, then uta expand customer. Hii customer ndio page ambayo tuta register a new customer. Okay, so come to Google search engine, then hapa just write Django Crispy. Okay, Django Crispy forms. Then click. Okay, come to click first link ambayo ni hapa. Okay, now good. After clicking now, you'll see hii ni Crispy form documentation. Now click on installation. Okay, now you can see a command to install Crispy. Command in here, people install Django Crispy forms. So now copy it, then open command prompt, then write cmd, fungua command prompt. Okay, after that kuja ku run hapa, people install Django Crispy form, then click okay. So Crispy form itakuwa installed, me requirements zimeshakuwa satisfied, so no need to install. Okay, now good. After installing Crispy, now unakuja kwenye my project yangu hii. So first step, kwanza kabisa ni kuja katika what my app ni hii hapo. Okay, inside my app natengeneza form. Kumbuka form katika Django ni class, kuna class inaitwa form. Okay, so nita right click katika my app. So kumbuka my app inaitwa app. Okay, so nita right click, choose new file, then file name will be customer. Okay, customer underscore form. Okay, so dot file extension dot py. After then click enter. Right, so now come to source code. When the source code is download, then we have form customer ambayo ni hii. Okay, so now double click to open. We need to import some libraries. So from Django import forms. So now copy it, then come to our form, duplicate. Okay, so from Django import forms. What is the form? Form ni class. So nikibonyeza control keypad nikai hold, after then kuja kuibonyeza hii forms. Okay, nikiclick now ita ni direct kwenye hiyo library ambayo inapatikana katika path ya local disk C, then users directory, my computer name, then app data, then local programs, Python, so on until unaweza kuipata hii forms. Okay, ambayo ina masala haya hapa. Okay, so now close it. Again tunakuja ku from dot models import customer. Okay, so now good. Nikija hapa katika my model, katika model na model inaitwa customer. Where is customer? This one. So ukireverse kwenye previous tutorial tuliona how to create a model. Model inaitwa customer. Okay, so now kuja katika form na import. Okay, so now from models, from dot. Okay, now let's paste it. Okay, from dot models import customer. Okay, where is customer? This one customer. After then nakuja hapa kwenye source code. Hii ni library ya DatePicker. DatePicker ni Bootstrap library. Inafanya kazi katika upande wa backend ya Python. What is DatePicker? DatePicker mara kuonyesha inafanya kazi ya kuselect date na kuleta hii simple diary kwa ajili ya kupika date. Kwa hii ni library ya Python. So hapa kila kitu ni library. Okay, so now nitakuja kwenye search engine, then Django. Okay, just like Django DatePicker plus. So click Django DatePicker plus. Okay, so now after clicking, now choose this first link. Okay, first link. Check first link, nitakuja kuchagua Django Bootstrap DatePicker plus. Current version is version number 505. Okay, so now copy the command to install. Come to desktop start button, then find command prompt, then hapo je kui paste, then click enter to execute. So unaweza kuta mimi ina just kuniambia requirements zishakuwa satisfied, no need to install. So wewe uta install. Okay, after installing now unakuja katika source code. Okay, so unaweza kuicopy hii hapa from source code, now copy it and come to a project and customer form, now paste it. Okay, so from bootstrap underscore DatePicker underscore plus dot widget. Okay, import DatePicker import. So now nikibonyeza control keypad nikai hold, now click. Now unaweza kuona sasa hii ni hilo file linahusikana na DatePicker. Now you can see a number of classes, methods and so on. We have DatePicker input, TimePicker input, so on, and some sort of validations and so on. Okay, so now again, let me import Django.exception handling, I think. So now copy it, now come to our project, now paste. Okay, so now from Django.co.exceptions, import validation error. So what is exception? Exception will program in experience cache or runtime errors. So you need to handle exceptions. I think it will be one. Okay, so now nakuja ku copy this one from pil import image. Hii inafanya kazi ya ku upload image. So now mkija katika my project, then choose file. So I choose file, for example, this is my passport size and this is my national ID. Unaona nini kinachofanya hivi? Ni library inaitwa ni of course ni Pyro, of course ni Pyro. Tunaona maana kuinstall. So now come to Django search engine, then write Pyro. Okay, Pyro install. Of course Pyro install Django. Okay, so now click it. After clicking, now come to click the second link ambayo ni hii Pyro. Okay, so now click it, then hii hapa ni command ya kuinstall Pyro. So now copy it and come to desktop start button, then just issue command prompt. Okay, so now hapa ndio paste, then click enter. Mention store hii library naitwa Pyro. Okay, so now na cancel. Okay, so after installing Pyro, now kuja katika source code, then hapa na import your library. Okay, so now copy it, come to our project, then come to paste. So now good. Another step is to, this is a region list from, okay, so is for drop down Tanzania, Dodoma, Tanga, Arusha and so on and so on. Hizo ni zipi? Hizo ni just hizi hapa. So nikija katika my form, kwenye my form now I can pick these regions. Hizi regions zinatoka katika upande wa back end, not front end, back end. Okay, so hizo nazi pick from where? From this list. Okay, so now copy it. After copying, now come to our project, duplicate. Okay, so now you can see region equal to default is Tanzania, then how I just repeat the same. Dodoma is Dodoma, Tanga is Tanga, Arusha is Arusha. Now you can put your desired regions, can be state or whatever. Okay, so now again, this is the business list for drop down. So this business list for multiple selection, not drop down. So hapa naweza select multiple selection. Okay, business type. So hizi list za business type zinatoka hapa. So I have small business, I have a medium sized enterprise, education and agriculture. So hizi zinatoka katika hii list hapa. Okay, so now copy it and come to our project, then hapa duplicate. So now you can see business, we have small business, medium sized enterprise, education and agriculture. Okay, again katika source code, now na create a form, main customer form. Okay, main customer form. Okay, so now I think nitaje kucopy hii yote. Okay, nafuria kuielezea. So now copy it, source code. Okay, copy and come to paste our project, then paste. Okay, so now good. So class customer add, this is a class name. Forms, and what is form ni hapa ndo import from Django, import forms. Okay, our forms ni just tumepitisha hapa as a parameter dot model form. Then class meta, what is class meta? Itakuwa executed once hii form itapokuwa loaded. Okay, so model is customer. Now nikibonyeza control keypad nikai hold, nikiclick on customer, utaona nimeletwa hapa katika hii customer model. Okay, hii model ndio hii hapa inaleta input hapa za kuingiza. So hizo zote zinatoka katika model ya customer. Okay, so again, widget. What is widget? Widget for customization. Now for resident, now tunataka tuchukue his regions as resident. Okay, tunatumia nini? Tunatumia widget. So widget form.select, then resident, hii ni what a field from model. So nikija katika model, this field inaitwa resident. So resident is a field from model. So is case sensitive, nimeandika resident kama ilivyoandikwa kwenye model kwa sababu hii ni field. From customer access field inaitwa resident. Okay, so hiyo resident form.select choices toka kwenye region. So region ukiklik italeta hapa kwenye hizi regions zipo juu tu hapo. Okay, regions. Okay, now I can add some attributes like Bootstrap as well, CSS, then class is the form control, and this is the style. Okay, again I have a business type. Business type now kwenye models, what is business type? Kwenye model nikija, business type is character field. Now we need to change from character field to multiple selections. Hii ni character field maana ni a box, yani text box. Character field by default is text box. Okay, so now we need to change from a character field to multiple selections. Multiple selections ndo hizi hapa, multiple selections. Japo kwenye model inasema ni character field, yani inaingiza a single statement line ndio inaoingiza. Wapi tunapo change, tunachange eneo hilo. Okay, hapa katika hii line. Okay, so hii line ndo ina change hapa forms.checkbox select multiple. Okay, so from forms kuna hii hapa just I think a class. No, nikibonyeza control button nikaihold, nikiclick italeta hii ni class. Hii class inaitwa checkbox select multiple. Okay, what from radio select. Okay, ishakuwa defined, so wewe just hapa unakuja kuitumia tu multiple selections. So hii ni Python file linalohusikana na masuala haya. Okay, okay, so now good. So customer. Okay, then from multiple selection, then list itatoka kwenye business. List itatoka kwenye business, nikiclick list itatoka hapa. Okay, and this is the class is the form control in Bootstrap, style in CSS. Again, date of birth ukija katika models, so now access models, date of birth and here hapa, this is the date of birth, models.datetime field. This is a normal data type is date and time data type normal. So we need now to convert this to material design. Material design tutatumia date picker import. So nikibonyeza control keeper nikaihold, then nikaiclick, italeta hapa kwenye ile file. Ile file ipo kwenye path ya local disk C, users, my computer name, app data, local and so on and so on. If I want to verify hiyo path, nitakuja hapa, nitajust kuifuata hii path. Okay, then nitaifuataje? Nitakuja katika this PC, then local disk C. Okay, now users. Okay, now my name, this one, then app data by default inakuwa hidden, to show. Click on view hapa katika hii folder, then on view, then check hidden items. Niki uncheck hidden items zitakuwa hidden. Okay, so hapa nitakuja click on view, then nita check hidden items. Okay, after checking now I can see app data imekuwa shown. Okay, so now I click app data, after then to find local, then I click local, then access programs, then P is programs. Where is programs? I think this one, programs. Then from programs access Python. Okay, then access Python version, this one, lib, where is lib, this one, site packages, so site packages here. Okay, then Bootstrap Data Picker plus, so access Bootstrap Data Picker plus, I think this one. Okay, now click, then access what widget.py. Where is widget? This one, widget.py. Then from widget.py access datapicker input class. Okay, so now you can open hii, just nikiclick na kuidrop hapa katika Visual Studio Code. Okay, now open. Okay, ndo hili file. Na file lenyewe ni datapicker input. This is a class. Okay, ndo hii ambayo tumejust click ikatu direct hapo. Okay, okay, so hii ni datapicker input ambayo ni library to install soon, na baada ya kushafanya installation now we need to import somewhere, ambapo tulipo import ni hapa from Bootstrap Data plus widget import data input. Okay, so after importing now, hii hapa tumekuja kuitumia date of birth. Hii ni column kwenye model, okay, ni field kwenye model, date of birth ambayo ni hii hapa. Now tunai convert kuwa katika material design date picker import. Okay, ambapo hapa katika our site itakuja kuonekana hapa material design date picker import. Okay, okay, so now good. Okay, so after then sasa nakuja ku this function validate passport size. This function, what is validation? Validation iko na maana kwamba passport size ina dimensions zake na ina, of course nikija hapa nikiupload passport size, for example suppose I choose largest passport size, this passport size, na click submit. Okay, choose another now, for example this one. Okay, now click submit. Okay, choose another ambayo itakuwa ni so large, and for example this one, ni click submit. Now good. So now you can see passport size should be 80, 100, 60, 100 pixels or smaller. Hii ni validation imefanyika, so huwezi kuupload passport size unaotaka wewe, lazima ifuate viwango. Okay, so now suppose this one nikiupload, nikiklik submit, hakuna ile message tena, maana yake ile passport size imekidhi viwango. Okay, so hiyo ni what ni function ambayo itakuwa nafanya validation. So this is a function validate passport size, and of course hii ni user defined function. Okay, so passport size is a variable equal to self.cleaned data.get passport size. Hii ni field from our model. So ngija katika model, now you can see passport size. Where is the passport size? This one field passport size. Okay, hii kwa hiyo field ndio tunai validate. Okay, ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, now good. If passport size is uploaded, for example, if is uploaded, what to do? Okay, then if passport size dot file size is greater than 1024 equal to 1 MB plus 1024 equals to 1 MB. Okay, then rise validation error. What is validation error? Validation error is our what library ambayo tume import from django.co.exceptions import validation error. Now you can click on validation error. Now you can see class inayohusika na masuala ya validation. Now hii ni path ipo kwenye C users, your computer name, app data, local programs and so on until you get exceptions.python, and hii ni validation error class. Now you can see class is validation error, imepitisha parameter ya exception handling. Okay, so now after doing so, if kwenye our forms, okay, now good, kwenye forms okay, good. So if file size is greater than 1 MB, okay, is greater than 1 MB, then raise validation error. Validation error is passport size should be less than 1 MB. Hii validation error ndo hii hapa ambayo ilikuwa inaonekana hapa. Okay, so now for example now I upload passport size, this one. Okay, submit. Now this message passport size should be kwenye hii hapa. Of course message ambayo ilikuwa nataka kuonekana ni passport size itakuwa iwe smaller. Now for example let's choose another passport size ili tuweze kucheck your message. Okay, so now submit. Of course message ni hii, lakini ukiupload file kubwa itatokea message ile ambayo tumeiona hapo, ambayo hii hapa. If not passport size .name .lower n with png, this validate file extension. Okay, allowed file extension is .png, jpeg na jpeg. Okay, jpg hizi ni file extensions, uwezi kuupload file na utakayo. Okay, if not, then rise validation error, passport should be PNG or JPG format. Return passport size. This function validates national ID. The same procedure to validate size and file extension is the same, and then return national ID. Then this function validates phone number. Okay, so for example now, when I click phone number, I click phone number, naandika phone number nataka mimi. For example, this is a phone number, invalid phone number. When I click submit, now you can see phone number digits should be 10 digits long. Okay, why? Kwa sababu nimeingiza digits nyingi. Function inafanya kazi hiyo ni hii hapa. This function validate phone number. Okay, now you can see phone number equal to self.clean.data.get phone number. If phone number, okay, if phone number.join is not digit, so kinachohitajika maana ni digit. Okay, check if the length is exactly 9 digits. If length, of course, here check if length is not equal to 10. Okay, then phone number should be 10 digits long. Okay, again and again. Then hii function ina validate customer national ID. National ID, of course, na yenyewe imefanywa validation and so on. So now katika views. Now save changes. Sorry, save changes. Now come to views. Where is views? This is view. Views. Okay, good. On views, so now come to source code, then access views. Where is views? This one. Okay. From views, access customer function. Okay. This is long. Okay. This is analytics. This is home. Okay. This is a trend. This is checkup. I think access customer. Okay. Access customer. So now find customer and then find the next thing. Okay. Okay. This is customer. Okay. So now good. So now copy source code. Source code. And then copy. Okay. Source code yake imeandikwa loan, lakini sisi tumeandika customer. So now come to our project, then find the function inaitwa customer. This is home, this is long, this is the trend, this is the analytics, and now find the customer. Okay, this is the customer. So here tuna paste. Okay, okay. So now this is checking indentation. Okay, so return render request loan.html. So now is customer.html ambapo tuna return customer.html. For remove loan, kwa sababu tulicopy pale to customer.html na hii just delete. Okay, so now customer loan is undefined, is not defined, and is not defined. So come to our source code, kwenye importation za view, I think hapa kwenye importation kwenye views. Okay, kwenye views. So now kwenye form, I think kwenye form, what is the form? Okay, ambao ni hii line. Okay, from dot form. Okay, so now is from customer form. Okay, this is a customer form.py. So from dot, then access customer form. Okay, then import. Kuja katika form tuna import hii hapa. Okay, tuna import customer add, tuna import hii class, tuna import hapo ni class. Okay, so now import, now remove hii hapa, then write customer add. Okay, okay. So now after importing, now when we get source code. Okay, now good. Form equal to, now is customer add, remove customer loan, now weka customer add. Request is posting, sababu tuna send request. Okay, kwenye database. If form is valid means validations zimeshafanyika, umeshafanya validation na kila kitu. If form is valid means all validations zimeshakuwa zimefanyika. Okay, Hii form is valid. What to do? Ipeleke kwenye database hiyo data zisave kwenye database. Then provide a backend message, messages.success. What is the message? Tumeimport huko juu. Of course nikikiki italeta kwenye ile file la message, okay? Lakini message ni hii ambayo tumeimport kule juu. Of course ya check. Tutaje kutapa from Django.contrib import message. Okay, message yenyewe ndio hii tuna return hapo, okay? Registered successful. Okay? Then now we need to clean form after submitting, yani after submitting utakuwa ufute hivi vyote vilivyokuwa vimeandikwa huko. Utakuwa uvidelete vyote vilivyo vimeandikwa huko. Kuvidelete maana yake nini? Una return ile form. Inaitwa customer add. So now I click customer add. So now remove it. Wrong. Customer add, okay? So return HTTP response redirect to, now we direct to customer, okay? Redirect customer.html. So redirect to, this is redirect to loan, lakini tuna redirect kwenda kwenye URL. So niki access URL, this is the URL, customer URL name, na check his name though, okay? His name is known as customer. Hii ndio tunaifanyia URL redirection. So ngoja hapa nitasema redirect to linki URL inaitwa customer hizo. Okay, customer. Okay, so return render. Okay, tuna render nini? Tuna render a request, page request. Page tuna return ni customer.html. Now save changes. Now come to our customer.html. Okay, hapa ndo case ilipo. So now remove this one. So now natakiwa ni run my project. Okay, so now current nina run demo project. So now stop demo project, close it, come to our project. This is our project. So kama hujui namna ku open, okay, alafu nikukumbushe namna ku open project yetu ipo kwenye downloads. Kama unakumbuka, fungua hii my project. Kwenye address bar naandika cmd, enter, then nina run project. So python taandika command hii hapa, python, then manage.py. Now you can see manage.py, run server, okay, then click enter. You can see now server ina just kucheck system kama haina syntax error. Kama kuna syntax error, hichi kitendo hapa kitaferi. So to make sure no syntax error, ina perform system checks. So ikishakuwa successful, project itarun kwenye local kwenye loopback API address as well. Okay, ina check system, ina check for syntax error, not runtime error. Ina check for syntax error. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now current na run. So project yetu isha run kwa hii hapa IP address, you can see. Okay, now nakuja refresh my project. Now refresh my project. Okay, nimesha refresh my project. Okay, so current na run, take time. Okay, so can I take time? Of course, just stop it and rerun again. Okay, rerun again. Run server, rerun again. Okay. Okay, no problem. And perform system checks. After then, in a run project. Now good. So now come to refresh. Nice. Okay. So hapa nita access your page inaitwa add customer. Okay. Ndo hii hapa customer. Okay. Hapa kwenye add customer ndo nataka tuonyeshe ile form ya Crispy. Okay. So tutakuja katika source code. From source code nita access customer.html. I think kuna, of course hizi ni source code. Zipo nyingi na zipo nyingi. So okay. So na copy kipengele kimoja baada ya kingine. So extend base.html I think tumeshafanya kwenye previous episode. This is a base. Tumesha load static. Now tunaje kuchukua hiki kipande hiki. Then load Crispy form tags. All tags from Crispy load. Okay. Tutakuja hapa kwenye project. Kwenye hiki kipengele cha block content. Hapa kwenye block content ndio nitapaste hiyo Crisp, nitapaste namna hiyo. Okay, so ndio kutengeneza hii div class container. Okay, so hapa nitakuja kutengeneza div class in hapa. Okay, so this will be div class is container. Okay, container, then margin top, mt is margin top, mt is 2 enough. Okay, after then close your div, then your div itakuwa ni close, itakuwa namna hii. Okay, so now good. Another thing is to chukue Bootstrap. Hapa katika source code nina hii hapa text, of course kwa ajili ya kupunguza muda, just ni copy ili ni paste hapa. Okay, now you can see add new customer. Hata ni refresh, ni save changes, nikaja nika refresh a page. Now you can see syntax error at customer Crisp form. Okay, now I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. Hii Crisp form nakuja katika project settings. Hapa katika settings, hii ni source code Okay, hapo unakuja katika installed apps. Kwenye installed apps, where is the installed apps? Hii hapa. Na copy hii hapa. Na copy hizi Crisp form Bootstrap 4 na Crisp form. Na copy hizi, nakuja kwenye my project, nakuja katika settings. Where is settings? This is my project. This is settings.py. Hapa nakuja kuadd sasa hizi hapa. Lazima hii ni an application. Crisp is an application. Lazima ni add kwenye installed apps. So ukishamaliza hivyo unakuja copy kipande hapa hichi kwenye source code. Na copy come to a project, baada hii bracket hapo nakuja kupaste. Now you can see Crisp allowed template packs is Bootstrap version 4 and the template pack is Bootstrap version 4. Okay, after doing so, save changes. After saving changes, come to our project, rerun. Now check system checks for syntax error. Okay, after performing system checks, now I'm going to run our project. Okay, so come to refresh our site. Okay, so hapo kuangalia current ina check system for syntax error. Okay, so now let's check your system ina check hizi library ambazo tumeinstall hapa. Okay, let's perform. Okay, sometime ina take time kuweza kucheck hizi dependencies ambazo tumeziregister hapa. Inajaribu kuzicheck hizi dependencies. So hii Bootstrap 4 inatoka na yenyewe uifanyie installation. So njoo Google hapa kwenye Google search engine, then just write hapa Django. Okay, Django and paste Crisp Bootstrap 4, then click enter. Lazima na yenyewe ifanye installation. After then nakuja hapa kwenye Crisp Bootstrap 4 na click. Okay, now good. So hapa nakuja kucopy hapa people install Crisp Bootstrap 4, then copy it. Okay, good. So now nakuja katika desktop button na andika command prompt. After then nakuja hapa na paste people install Crisp Bootstrap 4, then na click enter. Itafanya installation. Me requirements zimeshakuwa satisfied, no need to install. Okay, no need to install. So na close. Hiyo sasa ndio hii hapa. Iko wapi hii hapa? Crisp Bootstrap 4 hii hapa. Kwa zinaenda sambamba. Crisp forms tumeshafanya installation na Crisp Bootstrap 4 tumeshafanya installation na usuun. Hapa tunakuja kuziregister kwa sababu hizo ni application. Then ndio ku load hizi hapa code, ndio utaandika hizi code. Okay, now save changes. Now project ina check system. Now stopisha kwa kubonyeza hiyo control na C, then run again. So our project now currently na run. Njoo katika our project hapa. Okay, now refresh. You can see now no error again. Okay, so tuende na ku develop a system. Now come to customer.html. We have this one div class is div. Okay, is hapa. Okay, div class. So now copy it, come to our project, come to customer.html hapa ndani, just paste. Okay, after pasting now you can see div class cut border, then border is secondary. This is a bootstrap div class, and then this is a column. In column hii itachukua 4, I think 4. Okay, then hii column close, itakuwa hivi. Hii column tutaweka just image hapo, image. Now image tutakaweka hapo, tutaweka image ambayo ni I think koje copy hichi kipande, just copy it. Okay, now come to our source code hapo, duplicate humu ndani. Okay, now you can see div class equal to header. Okay, div class header, and then background is secondary, text is right, and add customer. Okay, so this is the image source. Image source is from static image logo, log4, and so on. So come to project source code hapa, then come to static, then image, then this image yenyewe ndo hii. Okay, then right click, then explore, fanya exploration hapa ya explore. Okay, fanya exploration, kucheki path. So file yenyewe ili hapa log4.jpeg. so now copy it. Okay, come to our project yetu kwa directory ya downloads, my project, then our app, this app, then static, then image. Okay, so now paste. Okay, good, log4, then right click, then click the properties. Now you can see file extension.jpg. Good, so now close. Okay, now kuja katika project development. Now you can see image source ipo kwenye static. Okay, nikija hapa kwenye static, kwenye hii path static, inside static access image. Okay, so nija kwenye image. Okay, log4.jpg, then image class is image fluid, rounded start, and so on and so on and so on. So hii ni just, of course, ni save changes. Nikija niki check an output. Okay, so okay, now ina run. Okay, so run again. Good, now you can see this is a logo here. Okay, so hizi ni just requirements: passport size and national ID specifications. Size tulisema ni 1 MB or less, extension PNG, JPG na JPG, width iwe hivi na height iwe hivi. Okay, kwa ajili ya passport size. Okay, so upande wangu ndo itakaa hiyo form ya crisp as well. So kuja hapa, we create another div, div here hapa. Okay, another div, so copy it and come to our project hapo kwenye project. Okay, div hii tumeshaifunga ambayo ni hii hapo, and div unaofuata hii. Okay, now good. So here we paste. Okay, okay, after pasting now just close it and close. Hii hapa close na hii close, kwa hiyo tutakuwa close hivi. Okay, so hii mfano unaandika bla 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 bla, save changes. Now come to refresh and output here. You can see, okay, just in a refresh. Okay, now you can see blah 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 blah. Kwa form yetu itaonekana katika eneo hili. Okay, so now good. And now we load our form. This is a form. Okay, so now this is a form. So nitaicopy form from start to end mpaka hapa. Right click ni click copy from start mwa hii form mpaka mwisho wa form. Okay, nitakuja hapa nilipoandika bla 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 bla, hii bla bla nita remove. Okay, nita remove, nikisha remove kwenye sehemu nita paste sasa ile form. Okay, so now okay, good. And sorry, yes. Okay, let's minimize it. Okay, minimize and expand. Okay, okay, good. So on top tukichukua column medium 4 grid system, hapa tunachukua 8, total is 12 with the system ya Bootstrap na ni 12. Okay, and div class is card body, form method equal to posting, encryption type is multipart, and form data I think then class margin top is 1, autocomplete is off. Okay, no validate, so hakikisha no validate ipo, so kuwepo haifanyi kazi. So hii ni kwa ajili ya ku escape from forgery. Hii ni security of course kwenye Laravel ipo na yenyewe kwa ajili ya ku escape from forgery. Then tuna load hii kutoka kwenye upande wa backend form.media yenye by default lazima uiweke hata kama hujaituma kule kwenye view. Hii ni kwa ajili ya ku load media ya kwenye nini, kwenye date picker ile. Mtu anapoclick date itokee ile date picker. Kwa date picker ile kutokea zile ni just a media. Kuna ku load media fulani pale zionekane. So div class equal to row. Div class equal to column, medium is 12 with the system. Then inside there is a first row. A first row will have a tunaload sasa form hii tunayoload tumeisend as a key from view. Nikija katika view unaona nimesendi key inaitwa form. Hii ndio nimesend. Tunaipokea key inaitwa form. From that key ya form tuna access field inaitwa full name. So ngaja katika customer form hii hapa. Kwenye customer form hapa nimesema model ya my form itatoka yani hii form zile field zote, na hapa nimeandika fields equal to all, maana fields zote zitatoka katika model ya customer. So nikiklik customer hizi fields zenyewe ndo hizi. Kwa utatumia object anaitwa form kwenye hii hapa, uta access field inayopatikana katika model ya hiyo form ambayo ni ya customer. So form access first name, lakini unapo access first name as Crispy field, kwa ile field inapokuja ije kama Crispy field ya Crispy as well. Okay, then again hii ni div class, kwa hiyo itaka kushoto itaka kulia kwa sababu hizi ni field system mbili and form.last name as a Crispy field. Again hii ni row nyingine, full name as a Crispy field, customer national ID and resident phone number and form.passport size as a Crispy field. Now hapa kuna case div class equal to shadow hii hapa, div class equal to body, canvas ID hii canvas kuja kuonyesha passport size anapo upload, canvas ID equal to passport size canvas, class equal to hii hapa. Okay, then nime close hizo div, nikaja kutengeneza div nyingine kwa ajili ya national ID, another div is another row kwa ajili ya business type and date of birth. This is button for submission. Now you can see input class equal to btn success, margin top is 4, width is 25 is width. Nataka iwe kubwa, ili button unaipa 100. Okay, input type is reset button, kwa ya kureset zile data za kwenye field. Is btn danger, button danger ina rangi nyekundu as well, red color. Margin top is 4 and width is 25. Value is reset, value ni kile kitachoonekana. Before anything, save changes. Now come to run our project. Okay, so I think project yetu ina run now. Just pause so pisha kwanza. Yes, ina run. Okay, so run again, run save. Okay, now ina perform system checks kwa ajili ya kucheck syntax error, and now you can see backend error message, template does not exist at customer. Template does not exist. Which template? Na kusoma hii message and template does not exist. I think error may rise hapa somewhere. May rise hapa date picker and okay, let's current na run. System yetu current na run ambayo hii hapa. Yes. We have a backend message. Yes, inaonyesha imeleta highlight kwenye kipande hiki. Custom field. Okay. Kwenye line number 67. Okay, so access 67. I think this line. Pana, sio hii. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so now good. I think from source code and from our source code we need to register this app, Bootstrap Data Pickup Plus. So hii ndio ilikuwa naleta error. So just copy it, come to our project, then access settings.py. Moja kwa register hapa. Okay. Okay, again register here hapa cleanup. Okay, so just Django cleanup. Okay. Yes, come to okay, save changes, come to our project, then rerun. Okay, now you can see a project tayari imesha run kama inavyoonekana. You have to load jQuery before form.media. Okay, this message is only visible when debug is true. I think your form haifanyi kazi, lakini kija kwenye choose image, now you can pick image, no image is shown, national ID is not shown as well. So why? Kama unakuja create a JavaScript. JavaScript inafanya kazi ya kuonyesha sasa. Hapa hizi data sio kwamba ziende kwenye database. Ni click submit, hii ni backend validation. Default imeshafanya validation. Data zitaenda na hizi image nilizoweka hapa zitaenda kwenye database. Lakini hakuna kitachoonekana hapa. So sisi tunataka usability ya application yetu. User upload image aione. Japo asipoiona inaenda, okay? No problem. So nitachokifanya sasa, nitakuja katika source code sababu siwezi kuandika kila kitu hapa. Of course itakuwa ni kazi ngumu mno. So tutakuja ku copy source code. This is the passport size canvas and this is the national ID canvas. So na copy zote hizi JavaScript, okay? Now copy it. Before end block. Okay, so ngoja katika source code, ngoja katika customer.html before hapo. Okay, so hapa sasa nazipaste mwisho kabisa, paste. Now you can see. So hii ni script, hii ni JavaScript, hii ni constant, hii ni variable inaitwa passport user inputs document.get element by id. Id inaitwa nini? Id ni passport size, nimetengeneza kule juu, lakini hapa nime get element by id passport canvas nimetengeneza kule juu. Okay, I think hii ni document object model, ni DOM concept. DOM concept maana nini? Unatumia JavaScript ku access HTML tags. Ndio maana yake. Zipo function kadhaa. Ya kwanza ni get element by id and get element by class name and get query selector. Zote hizo zinafanya kazi ya ku access element ya HTML, tag ya HTML. Tag ya HTML zo. So hapa nimetumia id, ukitumia class unasema by get element by class name. Okay, kama hiyo tag ni unique unasema query selector. Then with listen event, passport input kwenye hile canvas dot add event listener. Okay, event is change. Kwa hiyo kuna event hapa is change wherever I click. Una listen event is change, okay? And so on and so on. So sinaja kuelezea kila kitu hapa. Okay? Okay. After doing so, now save changes. Come to refresh our project. Now good. Upload passport size. For example, this one. Now you can see upload national ID. Now you can see this is national ID. Now, of course, we check application yetu baadaye kuja kuiongezea. Sometime na tufanye Python of course machine learning model kwa ajili ya ku verify kama hii kweli ni passport size, hii kweli ni national ID. Sababu hapa naweza nika upload kitu kingine. national ID ni nataka upload hii, kusema hii ndo my national ID, while is not true. So you need to create a machine learning model, simple model, just to verify information za kwenye hichi kitambulisho. So kuna vitu vinatakiwa viwepo kama vile name na nini, image iwe clear and so on so on. Of course Python ndo kazi yake. So hii hapa tunatakiwa tutumie JavaScript, na JavaScript hii ni jQuery, ni library ya JavaScript. Hamna programming language inaitwa jQuery as well, ni JavaScript library jQuery. Come to address bar, then write google.com. Hapa katika search engine andika jQuery, okay? After then click enter, and then come to click this one, press the link, okay? jQuery itafunguka. Sasa come to click ya download, okay? Itafunguka page hii hapo, okay? So now come to click compressed production hii hapo, so now click it. Now itafunguka nini? His library. So now copy it, okay? Come to base.html. So nakuja hapa katika hii hapa templates, now access base.html, okay? So hapa hii na assume sasa ni kwenye production environment. So ndio tunaandika hii ni script src equal to, then paste, okay? Again come to close, okay? Now save changes. Kwa sababu base.html tumeiload hapa, extend hapa, tumefanya headers. Kwa hiyo jQuery ni sawa na ipo hapa, itaonekana. Na hapa na save changes. Naja ku refresh my page. Hii my page. So refresh it. Now ile message haipo, na nikiclick date picker afanya kazi. Mbona hii. So naweza nika select date na so on so on. Okay? So now good. I think na material design inaonekana haipo vizuri. So nitakuja hapa katika Google Fonts, okay? For Google Font ni Roboto sans serif, lakini sioni kama ni nzuri sana. So nije hapa katika Google Fonts nichukue hii hapa. Yes, chukua hii hapa, okay? So now copy it, come to a project and paste, then save changes and refresh any output. I think hii cookie bado imechukua information. Niki clear cookie itakuwa apply style nyingine kabisa ya Google Font ambayo nimeiweka pale. Okay, so now good. Kinachofuata ni nini? Kinachofuata ni kutest program, kuitest program yetu functionality. Kutest program functionality. Suppose hapa naingiza first name blah 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 blah. Nikiklik reset itazifuta. Umeona eh? Okay, so now first name is for example is Jafet, for example, okay? That's the first name. First name is this one is Wilfred, okay? Then full name for learning purpose tunaandika tu hizi hapa for learning purpose, lakini for real development full name ni auto generate. Inaona first name or last name. So for learning purpose na national ID, this is a national ID. For example, resident is Tanga. For example, phone number, this is okay, that's the phone number. Then upload passport size. Then upload my passport size. This one is my passport size. Upload national ID. This is my national ID. Okay. Then choose business type. Nachagua hii medium sized and education and agriculture also. You can choose multiple. Then date of birth. Okay. Hizi ndo media tulizosema is media. Okay. So now uchagua year. Okay. Then pick particular year. For example, this is the date of birth. After then I click submit. Now you can see the customer there is a problem. Add customers, there is a problem. Okay, so now come to our source code. So from source code, access templates. Yes, template. Template. Yep. from template access access views. So kwenye views access method ilikuwa ni alone. Okay, so just mistake. So access hii inaitwa new customer. Copy yote new customer. Okay, now come to our views. Okay, hapa sasa tuna remove hii hapa. Okay, na remove. Okay, after removing hakikisha indentation hii imenyoka. If hii hapa na else zimekaa katika mstari ulionyooka, na return zimekaa mstari ulionyooka, hizi tatu if else hii hapa na hii return. Else hii ni ya if hii zimeingia ndani, kuhakikisha zimekaa kwenye mstari ulionyooka. Then hii ni the same, nishaelezea request if form request method iko to post, then tuna access ile customer form yetu. Kilichoongezeka ni request files, na ndio maana hapa tulivyo request hizi files hizi ambazo tuliziupload hapa haijazitambua. Umeona kwa nini? Kwa sababu hatujazi request. Kiko pekee yake ndio kimeongezeka. So now save changes, come to rerun your project. So passport size, this is my passport size. National ID, this is the national ID. Date of birth and so on and so on. Then you click submit. Template does not exist at customer. Which template? Okay, now good. Which template ambayo hai exist? I think this one template hai exist. Of course ni hii hapa. So delete, ni customer, not customers, is customer. Save changes. Now refresh. I think imesha kuwa, of course nije katika admin, so right click, check my admin, this is my login. Okay, now customers, now you can see customer huyu hapa amesha kuwa registered, ambao ni Jafet. Okay, lakini hakuna notification yoyote kama amekuwa added. So hapa tunakuja ku add a message ya customer. Okay, kwenye source code kuja ku add message. Okay, so message hii hapa, message from backend. Now copy it. Of course na message yenyewe tulisha send kile katika views hapa. Message yenyewe ni hii hapa, if form is valid, now save form to database, send data to database and reset our form. Okay, then message dot success registered successful. Hii message ina run katika upande wa backend. Okay, na tunataka tuichukue message tulete katika upande wa front end. Tunaje katika customer.html hapa, baada ya kumaliza form tu hapa nakuja kuipaste ile code for message. Hii message ni key ambayo nimeisend. Okay, key yenyewe ni wapi? Ni hii hapa, unaona. Okay, so hii inakuja katika customer.html for message in messages. If message, ikiwa kuna message yoyote ima successful or error, so div class equal to text star alert. Hii ni Bootstrap as well. Okay, lakini message hii na access ni hii, access message from a backend. Okay, and hii hapa ni redirection na okay, no problem. Now save changes, come to refresh and output. Now you can register as a customer. Okay, so blah 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 blah. This is the full name, this is the national ID, for example. Okay, this is resident, this is phone number. Okay, use passport size, for example. Now passport size, this one, and choose national ID. Okay, and date of birth. Now you can pick a particular year. For example, this one is the date of birth. Okay, that one. Okay, then business type, and then you click submit. Now you can see this is error from back end. Passport size should be kwenye format hii hapa. Okay, then let's upload another passport size. Now for example, a passport size is this one, passport size this one, and upload a national ID, this one, and choose these multiple selections and click submit. Registered successful. So nikija katika admin site nikirefresh, now you can see another user amekuwa registered. Okay, nikimclick. Okay, so now nikiclick image yake hapo, so you can see my image yake. So ni click hii hapa, now you can see is what's in the national ID. Back. Okay, so now good. Hii ni list of our customers, blah 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 blah. Okay, so now good. So hii ni end ya tutorial yetu. Tunaona how to create a form kwa kutumia Django Crisp form, ambapo Django Crisp form ni open source library ya kwa ajili ya tengeneza form kwa kutumia kodi ndogo, kodi chache na high efficiency. Lakini kumbuka hapa kwamba ningeandika form ya HTML ile ya kawaida ingekuwa na mambo mengi sana na hizi validation zote zingekuwa complicated ile, umeona. Lakini naona Crisp form imefanya katika hali ambayo kwamba ni efficiency. Okay.